Welcome to Trending World Fashion Hub, your ultimate destination for discovering the most fabulous fashion trends from all around the globe. And today, we're celebrating one of South Africa's most iconic, visually stunning, and deeply cultural wedding styles, the Xhosa Umbhaco traditional attire for both the bride and groom. Now, if you've ever attended a Xhosa wedding, you already know it's not just a ceremony, it's a spectacle of heritage, beauty, and identity. But if you haven't, don't worry. We're bringing the fashion magic straight to your screen. So sit back, relax, and let's step into the vibrant world of Umbhaco fashion. First things first, let's talk about Umbhaco. This is not your average fabric. Umbhaco is a thick cotton fabric often decorated with black stripes and traditional patterns, usually in black, white, red, or even blue. For the Xhosa people, this material is more than just stylish, it's sacred. It represents identity, status, respect, and the celebration of tradition passed down through generations. Umbhaco is typically worn during major cultural events like weddings, initiation ceremonies, and traditional gatherings. But today, we're spotlighting how this powerful material is styled for one of the most joyous occasions in Xhosa culture, the wedding ceremony. Now let's talk about the makoti, the bride. From the moment she steps out, all eyes are on her. And when she's wrapped in Umbhaco, wow, she's a walking canvas of elegance and culture. In our collection today, you'll see various styles of bridal Umbhaco outfits, from fitted mermaid gowns to elegant two-piece sets, complete with intricate beadwork, handcrafted embroidery, and symbolic Xhosa prints. Some brides go full traditional, with covered shoulders and long skirts, while others put a modern spin on things. Think off-the-shoulder Umbhaco blouses, dramatic peplum skirts, or even sleeveless gowns paired with beaded shawls. But one thing remains consistent: grace, strength, and cultural pride. And of course, no Xhosa bride look is complete without kisa, that bold flat-top hat often covered in beads or fabric. It's a crown for a queen. Now let's shift focus to the man of the moment, the Xhosa groom. The modern Xhosa groom is not afraid to go bold. These kings are matching their queens with equally regal Umbhaco outfits that command attention. Traditionally, you'll see the groom in Umbhaco trousers, a long tunic-style shirt, and often a matching cloak or blanket draped over one shoulder. The detailing? Impeccable. From beaded collars to embroidered cuffs, every detail carries a message of tradition and honor. Some grooms pair their outfits with traditional beaded necklaces, walking sticks, or even animal skin elements for a more ceremonial feel. Whether he's dancing into the venue or walking proudly beside his bride, he's giving cultural CEO energy. And let's not forget the coordinated couple look, because you know, twinning is winning. When both the bride and groom wear matching prints and colors, it's a whole vibe. Segment beyond the clothes, it's the accessories that truly complete the look. Xhosa bridal accessories are full of symbolism. Every bead, every color, every thread tells a story. You'll see colorful beaded necklaces, bracelets, headpieces, and even anklets, often handcrafted by local artisans. The colors, they each represent values: white for purity, black for unity, red for passion, and blue for peace. Some brides wear beaded capes or corsets, while others choose layered bead strands that create movement and texture. And the grooms, they keep it cool with beaded belts, wristbands, and culturally significant headgear. It's not just fashion, it's storytelling. What's truly exciting is how modern designers are blending tradition with contemporary fashion. We're seeing Umbhaco dresses now with plunging necklines, asymmetrical cuts, train extensions, and fusion with lace or satin. It's the perfect balance of heritage and haute couture. So whether you're planning a traditional Xhosa wedding, attending one as a guest, or simply in love with African fashion, you'll find plenty of inspiration in these looks. And yes, feel free to steal a few style ideas. Your secret is safe with us. That's it for today's stunning showcase of Xhosa Umbhaco traditional attire for bride and groom, because no wedding should ever be underdressed when tradition looks this good. If you enjoyed this visual feast of culture and elegance, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your squad, and subscribe to Trending World Fashion Hub for more runway-worthy traditional looks from all around Africa and the world. Next up, we're exploring the jaw-dropping wedding looks from and Swana cultures. So turn on those notifications unless you want fashion FOMO. And hey, if your auntie starts asking where you got your bridal inspo from, just tell her it's a fashion secret, but also it's on YouTube. Beautiful and proudly South African world of Xhosa Umbhaco traditional attire. Yes, it's all things elegance, heritage, and jaw-dropping wedding vibes. From the perfectly stitched Umbhaco skirts and beaded tops to the striking black and white patterns, and let's not forget those iconic beaded headpieces. This isn't just fashion, it's a culture-rich fashion statement. For the brides, you'll see everything from modern twists with off-shoulder designs to traditional long-sleeve gowns that scream Makoti goals. And the grooms, dressed in matching Umbhaco with coordinating cloaks, walking in like royalty, because, well, they are. Every stitch tells a story, every bead holds tradition, and every look, Insta-worthy. Whether you're planning your dream wedding or just love traditional fashion with a cultural flair, this video is packed with inspiration. So, grab your cup of rhubarb tea, hit that like button, and let's journey through the fashion of love, the Xhosa way. Don't forget to subscribe, because next time, we're diving into Zulu, Swana, and more. Who said tradition can't trend? Get inspired by the elegance, symbolism, and pride that comes with Xhosa wedding outfits. Subscribe for more South African traditional attire inspiration and trending African fashion for weddings and cultural events. African fashion, Xhosa traditional wedding, Umbhaco attire, Xhosa traditional wedding attire, 2025. Umbhaco dress styles for brides, Xhosa groom traditional outfits, South African cultural wedding fashion. Xhosa bridal dress ideas, trending Xhosa traditional attire, Umbhaco. Wedding couple styles, traditional South African wedding looks. Xhosa culture fashion, African wedding dress styles, 2025. Xhosa bride attire, Umbhaco dresses. Xhosa groom attire, South African traditional wedding, African couple wedding fashion, beaded Xhosa fashion, cultural wedding dresses, traditional wedding attire South Africa, modern Umbhaco fashion, Xhosa wedding styles tube tags. Xhosa wedding, Xhosa traditional attire, Umbhaco dresses, South African wedding, traditional Xhosa groom attire, African traditional wear, Xhosa culture wedding, trending African fashion 2025, African couple attire, cultural wedding fashion, Xhosa beadwork, South African bridal dress, Umbhaco fashion, traditional attire, Umbhaco magic, African wedding fashion, Xhosa bride and groom, South African style, Umbhaco vibes, traditional wedding looks, proudly modern Makoti, trending African fashion.